The fifth unit of the electronic devices and circuits are feedback amplifiers. What is meant by feedback amplifier? Feedback means connecting the output back to the input. Typically, a feedback amplifier has two sections. One is feedback circuit and the amplifier circuit. Resistors make up the feedback circuit. The purpose of feedback circuit is to return a fraction of output signal to the input. Feedback amplifiers greatly reduce the effect of noise in an amplifier. Negative feedback feeds the output back to the input with the phase reversal. Feedback amplifiers. This block diagram represents the concept of a feedback along with the amplifier. The signal source is given to the comparator or mixing circuit. The output of the comparator is given to the basic amplifier with the gain of forward transfer gain A. Then portion of samples from the output of the basic amplifier is fed back to the comparator through the feedback network reverse transmission. The final output is taken across the load. Feedback amplifier consists of two modules, amplifier and feedback network. Feedback amplifiers are used to reduce the noise and make the amplifier stable. It also provides wider bandwidth along with variable input-output impedance. Feedback amplifiers, the ratio of output voltage to the input voltage is known as amplifier's gain, which is denoted by A. The feedback network measures or samples the output signal V0. Negative feedback in the amplifier reduces the signal that appears at the input of the basic amplifier. In contrast, for positive feedback in the amplifier increases the signal that appears at the input of the basic amplifier. The signal source has voltage Vs, which is known as feedback ratio.